Okay, it's recording. See, all of you can open a chat GPT. You don't do anything. Open chat GPT. If you have, you open it. And here I am typing. Shh, no talking. Stacks in C sharp. Stacks in C sharp with example. Okay. Stack is also one type of collection. Last in, first out, na? Last in, first out stacks. So you can check some code, how to take the last element explanation. All these things are given here. Okay. So I'm just copying this code. Okay. And I'm putting it here. You don't do anything. Just observe. Okay. Add new project. I'm just putting it here. Stack demo. Easy only stack demo. This coding and all. So I'm putting first in the notepad because I want only important data. Which one? I only want the data which is in the main. Anyhow, I will be giving this code. You just check this code and all. So list of elements, I can push it. Then elements in the stack, I can print it. Last in, first out. Now last element I can take it. Then first element I can take it. So these and all things are there. Let me check this one. Set this one as a startup project. You don't do anything. Just listen. Later on, I will do. It is easy only. We can just check in the console.readline. I have to put. Popped element, last in, first out. Okay, peaked element, top element is 30 now. Remaining elements in the stack. Okay, popped top element like that. You can check it. Okay, stacks and queues demos will be there. You can check it by yourself. Okay, in the same manner, I can type Q in C sharp with example. Okay, I am just putting the code. Okay, what? So queues means what? First in, first out, na? So just like that. I am putting the another code for the queue also. Add new project. Add new project queue. So queue code I want to keep in the program. I can paste the queue code. So like that, just check in the chat GPT. You will get a lot of code. I want only the code which is there inside this thing. No, I don't want this code. I want code only which is there inside the copy code. Inside the main method only you put that code. Main method code only you put it. So I'm just pasting the code. You also do like that only. Later on at home you do it. Right now I'm just telling you stacks and queues are there. Make this one as startup project and just run the code. So queue means what? First in, first out. First in, first out. Dequeued element. Front element. Now front element is Bob. Remaining elements in the queue, Bob, Charlie, David. So just check this one. Easy only. Stacks queues. Okay. New topic I will start. Okay. Now new topic I will start. Okay. I have written in the notes also. You can check it. What I have written after the class. This I have written. Type in chat GPT stacks in queues in example non-generic collection C sharp. Okay. So collection is done. Now I'm moving to the new topic file handling. Okay. Moving to the new topic file handling. Right. Okay. So all of you, now you do along with me. Huh? All of you do along with me. Right click on the project. a solution, add new project. Windows project you have to add. C sharp, okay, add new project, desktop. Select desktop. Second one, Windows app in the bracket .NET framework. Okay. Next, file, filed, file demo one. File demo one. You just write file demo one. Create. Make this one as a startup project. All of you open a new project. Windows project. C sharp, all platforms, desktop. Second option, Windows Forms, .NET Framework. Okay, open this project like this. Not so, Windows. C sharp, all platforms, desktop. Windows project you open. Select that one as a startup project. Select that one as a startup project. Select that one as a startup project. Yes. So now, what you do? Put one text box here. Go to the view. Go to the view toolbox. Go to the view toolbox. Put one text box here. Only one text box. You put down the text box is there. Put it here. Make it multi-line. Multi-line option is there. Here click select the text box. Multi-line option is there. Make it multi-line and drag this text box like this. You here a smart tag is there. Here you click here on the text box. If I remove this multi-line, it will become small. Select this text box. Smart tag is there here. You check multi-line. Make it multi-line. Coming, if it's not coming, I will come. Drag the text box and keep it like this. Here, smart tag is there. The arrow is there. Click that one. Check option multi-line. Select it. Okay. Now drag that one. Drag. Put it there like this. Now smart tag is there. In some space, I want to click some buttons here. Done. 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 So now put the buttons. One buttons you put it. Some buttons you put it. I am telling you. Go to the button. One button you keep it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 buttons you keep it. 5 buttons keep it all of you. Don't double click the button, just keep the buttons. Kept the buttons, na? So at a time you select this text box. Properties window will come. In the properties font you change. Make the font bold or 10 you make it. Same thing you do it for all the buttons also. At a time select all the buttons like this. I am dragging like this. Leave it. Go to the font. Increase the font to bold 10. First, select the first button. Properties, you go. Text property, you change. Color. Text property, you change. BG color. Font. Save. Open. Design the interface like this. Right click here. Properties, you go. Text property, you change it to color. Right click here. Properties, you go. Text property, change it to color. I'll come. I'll come there. Can you browse? Yeah, I'll come. The same manner, right click second button and go to the properties. See what I want to do, in the text box I want to write something, and the color I want to change it as red color right here. Then the background color I want to change it. The red color background color I want to change. Then font I want to change. Then anything if I am writing in the text, I want to save it in the file. Anything I am reading from the file, I want to save it here in my text. These are not tasks I want to do. Color, PG color, font, save, open. Okay, now listen. All of you listen carefully. Don't write anything. Listen carefully. Shh. See, this is a notepad. All of you listen, please. Afterwards, you can write. I'm writing something here in the notepad. When I'm trying to close this notepad, a dialog box is coming. Are you getting? This is called dialog box. Are you getting dialog box? I cannot touch this one unless I say yes or no. Okay, then only I can touch that one. That is dialog box. Okay. Now in the win word I am going. Word I am going. Here also some dialog boxes are there. See, I will show you. Open dialog box is there here. Open. This is the open dialog box. In the same manner, if I want to save anything, save dialog box will be there. File, save as. Okay, this I want to save as. Open. This is open dialog box. So again, you see these are also dialog box. Okay. See, this is also dialog box. Okay, I will open new one. I will open new. This is the new blank document I am opening. If I clicking I am getting font dialog box. I am getting these and all dialog boxes. This word they have created using what? This word they have created using Windows application only they have created. Okay. Now those things we are trying to do now. Okay. So all of you understood dialog boxes means what? Back side. Okay. Then file dialog box will be there. Save dialog box. Explorer will open. This is here. Open dialog box is there. See. File. Save as. Save. This is a save dialog box. What? Some file I will select from here. Okay. Now come to the program here. All of you come down here. Dialog boxes down. Dialogs exactly down. Dialogs are there. Can you see dialogs? There is one tab dialogs. Okay, there is one tab dialogs. Exactly down. Can you see the dialogs there? Color dialog, folder dialog, font dialog. Can you see? Now what I will do that you first drag and drop one color dialog. It will fall down. It will not fall on the tray. It is a helper application. Color dialog, drag. Font dialog, drag. Open dialog, open file dialog, drag. Save dialog, drag. 4 dialog boxes you drag it. Color dialog, drag it. Leave it. Font dialog, drag it. Leave it. Then open file dialog, drag it. Leave it. Then save dialog, drag it. Leave it. Leave it. It will fall down. It will trade. Next. No. Font. Next. Open and save. 4. Font dialog. They will not go there. Open file. Then save file. Now that's all. It will not come here. No? They are helper applications. Okay. After this done, now you will start writing the code now. Okay. Now all of you start writing the code. First button is there color. Are you seeing color? Double click the color button. Double click the first button and write color dialog 1 dot show dialog. Color dialog 1 dot show dialog. Right? You will get it. Whenever I click this button, a dialog box should open. Whenever I click this button, a dialog box should open. Make this one as a startup project. Have you done? File handling. I am making this one a startup project. Have you written like this? When I am running this application, whenever I click this one, color dialog will come. Okay? One dialog box will come. Color dialog. Is it coming? Whenever you are clicking, run the application. Click the first button. Color dialog is coming. Don't write your own color dialog. Whatever is there, one that one. It is coming or not for all of you? Coming na? Okay, now what you do? Text box 1 dot text dot 4 color is equal to color dialog 1. Whatever you select from that color, that color will come to this one. I will show you. Control F5. I am writing here Raghavendra. I am writing Raghavendra. This color I want to change. Red I want to make it. Okay, I told. So Raghavendra has become color red. Okay. Yes. So in the same manner, are you getting or not that color dialog? Getting? Are you able to do it? Okay. Background color. Let us change it now. Double click the second button. Again show the color dialog box. Again show the color dialog box. After showing in the text box, whatever you type, back color. So here I am writing Raghavendra. So color I am changing red. Okay, background color I am changing to yellow. Okay, it is coming like this. Now you are entering your. Got gas color, black color. Got back color. Oh, I'll put it in the quotes. Don't where to copy. You should know, huh? Don't copy all the things. Where to copy that much code don't you copy? Okay, I'm going with the third button. All of you. Third button, font. Font dialog one. Dot show dialog. Font dialog one. Dot show dialog. Dialog result. See, whatever you select from the font dialog, that result I will store it. Okay. If you say okay after selecting that one result, see what is happening when I click this one, font is coming. But after selecting, I can say yes or no, anything I can say, okay or cancel. If I say okay, then only that features will be applied to the font. Once I will show you, Raghu I told, font I selected, bold I made it big. Okay, then BG color I changed to back. Okay, then red color I changed to red. Okay, try this one, all of you. Afterwards, you can see. Find new project, Windows application. Okay. No, no, see all that. Yeah, desktop. Just second. Name file demo one. File demo one. And you have to design the interface. It will take time. Afterwards, now you study that only. Afterwards, no, because I cannot tell again. In the codes, I have kept the code. One text box, make it multi-line. So put 5 buttons. Then in the code set, the code is up to now whatever. Make it multi-line. Put text box, 5 buttons. First you put one text box. Make it multi-line. Select the smart text box. Arrow is then on the top arrow is there. Make it multi-line. Here, now we drag that one, they make it big. Not like that. You put down. Still big in it. Put it in this. Here 5 buttons. Yeah, text box also give it. This will be put 5 buttons. You get 5 buttons. Okay. Afterwards, what to do? There is one tab in the dialogs. In the dialogs here. Here the drag color dialog. Just drag. Will come. Font dialog. Then open file dialog. Drag. Then save dialog. Buttons you have kept. In the first button, what logic you have written? Portion. That is not giving button. See okay. Buttons are not open. This is only double click the no. Wait. One of this here. Only put dialog. More dialog. 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 Do not come only second dialog. Save dialog. Then font dialog. That's the four. How in the button they give it that. So is there is a question. Everyone getting up to this? Yes, sir. Just copy the code directly. Only button click code you copy. Coming up to this one, font are able to change. Okay. Now let us move. Now let's move to the next here, next code. Come to the design. Come to the design here. Save dialog. Okay, okay, all of you listen. Later on, I will tell the two buttons. First, you listen the code here. Shh, listen. Suppose one file is there. Okay, one file is there. Text file is there. Okay, okay. Shh, listen. All of you afterwards you can type that remaining two buttons code. Text file is there. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to point to that file. Okay, using file stream class. Three classes are there: file stream, stream reader, stream writer. First I have to use file stream class and I have to point to that file, which file you want to read or write. After pointing to that file, what you want to do with that file? You want to read or write? Suppose I want to write, means you have to put this file pointer in the stream writer if you want to write. If you want to read, means put that file pointer in the stream reader and read it. That is what the task you have to do it. Okay, first file pointer should be there. So all of you, now let us write the code now for this one. Where is the code? Here the code is here. Double click the save button. All of you double click the save button. All of you double click the save button. Click the, all of you double click the save button. Okay, after double clicking the save button, go on the top. Go on the top and write using system.io. I want to do file handling operations. So say using system.io. Okay, system.io. So this dialog result is what you know here. Font dialog. First dialog box will come. In that you will select some option, yes or no. That yes or no is stored in the dialog result. If you say yes, okay, then I am changing the font. If you say cancel that one, I am not implementing those properties. So here first system.io is created, then just above the button click, write like this: file stream, file stream, file stream, fs, stream reader. All of you write down sr, stream writer. All of you write down sw. Okay, like that you write down. Three classes are there in the system.io file: file stream, stream reader, stream writer. File stream will first point to the file, any file in your operating system. In your system, any file is there, na? To that file it will point. Afterwards, what you want to do? You want to read or write the file. That is your duty. Okay, that is what you have to do. So this is the save. Save means what? First save. Save means what? Whatever I type in the text box should be saved in one file. First of all, save dialog one dot show dialog. Whenever you click this button, one explorer window will come, which will allow me to select any file from the operating system. If you see this one, I clicked this button. It is giving me explorer window to select any file where you want to write the data which you have written in the text box. Okay. Okay, now write down code along with me, all of you. Dialog result res is equal to if res is equal to dialog result dot okay. If you have selected a file, okay, if you have selected a file which you want to write, in that you want to write the data, okay, whatever file you select, that file will have some file name, na? Take that file name here, point to that file using file stream, using fs, na? Fs is equal to new file stream, point to the file. Which file? The file which you have selected. And which mode you are opening the file? I am opening the file in write mode or create mode. Means what, if the file is not there, you will create the file, and in that file whatever you write, you will store that one. Okay. First you have to point to that file which you have selected. See, I am running this program. I taken like this. I have in the desktop I am taking one file. Okay, otherwise in the desktop I am creating one file, jj.txt, something, some file. So in this file my data should be stored. What I have written in the text box, the data should be stored. So this file I am pointing it like this using file pointer fs. Now what I want to do, I want to write na. So stream writer file is there. Stream writer sw is equal to, put that file, new stream writer which you want to write now, put that file in the stream writer and then write it where you want to write it. Whatever you typed in the text box one dot text should be should go in the in that file. And don't forget to flush the file. Any earlier data is there, it will delete that data. I will just show the example. Once you see, I have written here, Ravi is a good boy. This I have written. This I want to store it where? In one file. Open the file. In the desktop, one file I am creating. Hello.txt file I creating. Okay, on the desktop. I saved the file. I minimize this one. Then I am checking hello.txt on the desktop. Hello.txt. Open with notepad. So Ravi is a good boy, which is written there, and the application is coming in here. All of you try this code. The code is available here. I am writing it here. See, one dialog box will open. From that you will select one file. That file you will point to using file stream. You will point to that file. What you want to do with that file? Write. I want to write inside the file. So that pointer has to be sent into the stream writer class. Okay. After pointing to the file, if you want to write, put it inside the stream writer. If you want to read, put it in the stream reader. Right now writing na stream writer. Writer. So write that file. Whatever you written in the text box will go in that file. And once you any data is there before writing the file, you have to remove that data, flush that data, and then you have to write the file, write inside the file. Is it coming to you or not? Just check once. Huh? Save it with .txt file. Yeah, I'll put it in the code share. Complete code I'm putting. I shared. Huh? Attendance. Only a few people are present, so you can take only present. Madam has not come
She is not coming this year.
this week.
Yes.
Okay. So I have to contact you, madam.
Yes.
Okay.
So she will be the coordinator.
Huh.
You can contact for
I can
anything.
contact her now. No
But
problem.
for attendance, I'll come in. And afternoon, one more faculty.
After another faculty for taking attendance.
Yes. You can contact her only.
Her only I will contact.
Yes,
Otherwise.
yes.
Not required.
Yes.
Many have gone for drive. Drive they have gone. Drive. Campus drive. That's why they are not.
Manisha, Saranya, Sreka, Niti, Chetana, Chandana MB, Sanchana, Chandana is
Yes. This one everyone tried, huh?
Sanchana? Sanchana is there. Kushi? Aishwarya? Shreya? Aishwarya N. Shreya? Shreya also. Anybody friends of Shreya? Shreya Malesh.
Yeah, from day one she's not coming. From day one not coming.
Shreya Malesh. Deepa? Chundral? Yovika? Yovika? Janani? Sumana? Sumana? Ma'am, Yovika is absent. Yovika is absent. Monica. Sumana? Sumana also is not coming. Disha? Disha? Aishwarya KB? Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi D? Vaishnavi? Yes, Vaishnavi. Harshita U. Saujanya? Saujanya. Vaishnavi V. Spurti? Nikita? Nikita. Soumya? Thalia? Sahana? Ranjana? Nikita? Nikita SK. Gita Dia? Gita Nishchita? Devika? Devika. Pratiksha? Shivani? Purvika? Gagana? Rochana? Supriya? Grishma? Priya? Anusha? Monica? Monica D. Monisha? Priya, Deepti, Jahnavi, Nikshita, Ruchita, Rakshita, Vaishnavi S, Swati K, Nandini G, Ravi, Yashika, Kritika, Chandana R, Saksh, Sanjana, Shama, Madiha,
Okay, all of you, are you getting this one? Are you able to save? Okay, now click the second button, last button, open dialog. Write the code for that one also, and finally I'll paste this one. Again, dialog result, dialog result res is equal to open file dialog will open dot show dialog. First show the dialog box, okay, which you are opening. Then if it is okay, if dialog result is okay, means whatever is there in the file, I want to read it in the text box. Okay, I will select one file from this open file dialog. That file is here. If I say okay, if I decided that file I want to read it, I have decided that file I want to read it, right? Then first point the file using file stream. Which file? The file which you are this file. Write it here. File name 2 this is, and this one you write down open file dialog. Open file dialog you write down. Okay, and which file name 2. File name 2. I have to put double quotation. No, just write like this, file name 2. You are pointing to that file, and which mode you are opening that file. Open mode. I want to read that file, so I will open in open mode. After pointing to that file, what you want to do? I want to read that file. So when you want to read that file, create a new stream reader class, and pass that file pointer inside the stream reader class. And then what you have to read in the text box one dot text up to the end, you have to read it. Control F5. Once I will show you the output. Open. I selected one file. C notes I selected. Open I told. The C notes is available here. I can read that file. This whole file I am reading it. Okay. From one file I selected, I am reading that whole file. Write down the code, all of you. This whole code I'm putting in the code sheet again, from first to last, whole code. It is there in the code sheet, you can check it, and this is the code for the last button.